Synchronicity, a term coined by the renowned psychologist Carl Jung, refers to the meaningful coincidences that occur in our lives, seemingly without causal connection, yet holding significant personal relevance. Jung proposed that these events are not mere chance occurrences, but rather reflections of our inner psychological state, revealing deeper truths about our experiences and emotions. Recognizing synchronicity is crucial as it invites us to pay attention to the patterns and connections that emerge in our daily lives, often guiding us toward greater self-awareness and understanding. These meaningful coincidences can serve as powerful indicators, prompting us to reflect on our choices, relationships, and life paths. By acknowledging these moments, we can cultivate a heightened sense of awareness and openness to the possibilities that life presents. This exploration of synchronicity not only enriches our understanding of the world around us, but also lays the groundwork for personal growth. As we delve into the relationship between synchronicity and our individual journeys, we begin to see how these coincidences can act as catalysts for transformation. They encourage us to embrace change, confront challenges, and align our actions with our true selves. In this way, synchronicity becomes a guiding force, illuminating the path toward self-discovery and fulfillment. By exploring the significance of these meaningful coincidences, we can unlock new dimensions of our lives, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and the universe. Ultimately, recognizing and embracing synchronicity can lead to profound insights and a more enriched existence. As we learn to navigate our lives with intention and awareness. Carl Jung's theory of synchronicity presents a fascinating perspective on the intricate relationship between external events and our inner experiences. Jung believed that meaningful coincidences arise when our psychological state aligns with the external world, suggesting that these occurrences are not random, but rather indicative of a deeper connection between our consciousness and the universe. Unlike traditional cause and effect reasoning, which relies on a linear understanding of events, synchronicity operates on a more complex, non-linear framework. It emphasizes that events can be interconnected in ways that transcend logical explanations, allowing for a richer understanding of our experiences. This divergence from conventional causality opens up new avenues for interpreting the significance of our lives, as it encourages us to look beyond mere chance and recognize the profound messages embedded in our experiences. Furthermore, Jung introduced the idea of synchronicity as a cosmic communication tool, suggesting that these meaningful coincidences serve as signals from the universe, guiding us toward greater self-awareness and understanding. By perceiving synchronicity in this light, we can view it as a form of dialogue between our inner selves and the external world, where the universe responds to our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. This perspective invites us to cultivate a deeper awareness of the signs and symbols that appear in our lives, encouraging us to engage with them as valuable insights rather than dismissing them as mere coincidences. Ultimately, Jung's theory of synchronicity challenges us to embrace the interconnectedness of our experiences, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about the mysteries of life. Examining notable instances of synchronicity reveals how these meaningful coincidences can profoundly impact individuals' lives. One compelling story involves a woman who, after losing her job, found herself wandering through a park, feeling lost and uncertain about her future. As she sat on a bench, she noticed a book lying nearby, its title resonating deeply with her current struggles. Upon opening it, she discovered it contained insights that mirrored her own thoughts and feelings, ultimately inspiring her to pursue a new career path aligned with her passions. This experience exemplifies Jung's theory of synchronicity, where an external event, the book, intersected with her internal state, providing guidance and clarity during a challenging time. Another notable example is that of a man who, while contemplating a significant life decision, repeatedly encountered the same phrase in various contexts, from conversations to advertisements. This persistent message served as a powerful reminder of his intuition, encouraging him to trust his instincts and make a bold choice. Such instances resonate with Jung's belief that synchronicity reflects a deeper connection between our inner experiences and the external world, suggesting that the universe communicates with us in meaningful ways. These stories invite viewers to reflect on their own experiences of synchronicity, encouraging them to consider moments when seemingly random events aligned with their thoughts or feelings. By recognizing these occurrences, individuals can cultivate a greater awareness of the signs and messages that life presents, ultimately fostering a deeper connection to themselves and the world around them. Embracing synchronicity can lead to transformative insights and a more enriched life journey. Exploring the connection between synchronicity and numerology reveals how repeating numbers can convey meaningful messages in our lives. Many people report experiencing specific numbers repeatedly, such as seeing the same sequence on clocks, license plates, or addresses. These occurrences often prompt individuals to pause and reflect, as they may signify important insights or guidance related to their current circumstances. In numerology, each number carries its own unique vibration and symbolism, suggesting that these repeating numbers can serve as a form of communication from the universe or our higher selves. The historical context of numerology dates back thousands of years, with roots in ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians and Egyptians, who believed that numbers held mystical significance and could influence human destiny. This ancient practice has evolved over time, yet its core principles remain relevant, emphasizing the importance of numbers in understanding our lives and experiences. By recognizing the significance of numbers, individuals can gain deeper insights into their personal journeys and the patterns that shape them. Encouraging viewers to pay attention to numerical patterns in their lives can foster a greater awareness of synchronicity. For instance, noticing when certain numbers appear frequently may prompt reflection on their meanings and how they relate to one's current situation. This practice can lead to a heightened sense of connection with the universe and a deeper understanding of the messages being conveyed. Ultimately, embracing the interplay between synchronicity and numerology can enrich our lives, guiding us toward greater self-awareness and personal growth as we navigate our unique paths. Synchronicity can serve as a powerful guide for making important life choices, aligning closely with Carl Jung's belief that these meaningful coincidences act as signposts on our journey. Jung posited that synchronicity reflects a deeper connection between our inner experiences and the external world, suggesting that when we encounter significant coincidences, they may be nudging us toward a particular path or decision. By recognizing these moments as reflections of our true selves, we can gain valuable insights into our desires, fears, and aspirations. This awareness can empower us to make choices that resonate with our authentic selves rather than simply following societal expectations or external pressures. To effectively interpret these meaningful coincidences, viewers can adopt a few practical tips. First, maintaining a journal can be beneficial. Writing down instances of synchronicity allows for reflection and pattern recognition over time. Second, cultivating mindfulness can enhance awareness of the present moment, making it easier to notice coincidences as they arise. When a synchronicity occurs, take a moment to pause and reflect on its significance. Ask yourself what thoughts or feelings were present at that time and how they relate to your current situation. Additionally, consider the emotions that arise when you encounter these coincidences. Often, they can provide clues about the direction you should take. Lastly, trust your intuition. If a synchronicity resonates deeply with you, it may be worth exploring further. By embracing synchronicity as a guiding force, individuals can navigate their life choices with greater clarity and confidence, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and authentic existence. Analyzing the relationship between dreams and synchronicity unveils a fascinating interplay where dreams can reveal hidden meanings and significant coincidences in our waking lives. Carl Jung emphasized that dreams serve as a window into our unconscious mind, often reflecting our innermost thoughts, feelings, and unresolved issues. Within this realm, synchronicity can manifest as symbols or themes that appear in both our dreams and our daily experiences, suggesting a deeper connection between our inner world and the external universe. By paying attention to these dream elements, individuals can uncover insights that may guide their decisions and illuminate their paths. Encouraging viewers to explore their dreams for insights can be a transformative practice. Keeping a dream journal can help capture the details of dreams upon waking, allowing for reflection and analysis over time. By identifying recurring symbols or themes, individuals can begin to recognize patterns that may correlate with synchronicities in their waking lives. This exploration can lead to a richer understanding of oneself and the messages the universe may be conveying. Additionally, highlighting the importance of understanding the collective unconscious is crucial in this context. Jung proposed that the collective unconscious comprises shared symbols and archetypes that transcend individual experiences, connecting us all. When we dream, we tap into this collective reservoir, which can enhance our awareness of synchronicity as we recognize that our personal experiences may resonate with universal themes. By embracing the relationship between dreams and synchronicity, individuals can cultivate a deeper connection to their inner selves and the world around them, ultimately fostering personal growth and insight. Exploring how synchronicity manifests in different cultures reveals a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices that shape collective identities. Across various societies, synchronicity is often viewed as a meaningful connection between individuals and the universe, reflecting shared values and experiences. For instance, in indigenous cultures, synchronicity is frequently seen as a sign of guidance from ancestors or the spirit world, reinforcing the idea that individuals are part of a larger, interconnected web of existence. This collective identity, shaped by synchronicity, fosters a sense of belonging and purpose, as people recognize that their personal experiences are intertwined with the greater narrative of their community. Encouraging viewers to recognize cultural patterns of synchronicity can deepen their understanding of how these phenomena influence their lives. For example, in Eastern philosophies, such as Buddhism and Taoism, synchronicity is often linked to the concept of flow and harmony with the universe, suggesting that meaningful coincidences arise when one is aligned with their true path. By observing these cultural interpretations, individuals can gain insights into their own experiences of synchronicity and how they relate to broader societal narratives. Highlighting the potential for personal and collective growth through these insights is essential. When individuals acknowledge and embrace synchronicity within their cultural context, they can foster a greater sense of awareness and connection, both personally and collectively. This recognition can lead to transformative experiences, encouraging individuals to engage with their communities and contribute to shared growth. Ultimately, exploring synchronicity across cultures not only enriches our understanding of ourselves, but also emphasizes the interconnectedness of humanity, paving the way for deeper connections and collective evolution. In summarizing the key points discussed in the video, it is essential to emphasize the importance of recognizing synchronicity in our daily lives. By being aware of meaningful coincidences, we can gain valuable insights that guide our decisions and enhance our self-awareness. These moments of synchronicity serve as reminders that we are interconnected with the universe, encouraging us to pay attention to the signs and messages that surround us. We also explored how synchronicity can manifest in various forms, from dreams to cultural expressions, highlighting its significance across different contexts. Encouraging viewers to share their experiences and insights is vital, as personal stories of synchronicity can foster a sense of community and connection among viewers. By exchanging these narratives, we can learn from one another and deepen our understanding of how synchronicity influences our lives. Additionally, we invite viewers to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and explore more content that delves into the fascinating world of synchronicity and personal growth. Engaging with our community not only enriches your own journey, but also supports others in their exploration of these meaningful experiences. By joining us, you can stay updated on future discussions, insights, and practical tips that can help you navigate your life with greater awareness and intention. Together, let's continue to uncover the mysteries of synchronicity and its profound impact on our lives. Thank you for being part of this journey, and we look forward to hearing your stories and insights as we explore this captivating topic further.